How to find roots of a quadratic equation in a minute. Hook and introduction. Struggling to solve quadratic equations quickly in your exams? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a killer trick to find the roots of a quadratic equation in less than 60 seconds. Let's look at this equation: x squared minus 5 times plus 6 is equal to 0. Step 1. Identify the coefficients. Step 1. Look at the number in front of x squared. When there is no number, it means our coefficient is simply 1. This means we can use the ultimate factoring shortcut. Step 2. The number hunt, product and sum. Step 2. Take the constant number at the end, which is 6. Now, we need to find two numbers that do two things perfectly. They must multiply to give us 6, and they must add up to give us the middle number, which is minus 5. Think about it. Yes. Minus 3 and minus 2. Because minus 3 times minus 2 is positive 6, and minus 3 plus minus 2 gives us minus 5. Step 3. The magic sign flip, or finding the roots. Step 3. Here is where the magic happens. Take those two factors, minus 3 and minus 2, and simply flip their signs. Change the minus to a plus. And just like that, your final roots are x equals 3 and x equals 2. You're done. And or outro and call to action. Math is that simple when you know the right tricks. If you found this shortcut helpful, hit that like button, share it with your classmates, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy math hacks. Drop a comment below if you want a trick for when a is not equal to 1. See you in the next video.